Greetings and salutations. In this video, we're going to go ahead and use PuTTY to connect to the Hardware Accelerated Learning Cluster, or the HAL cluster, here at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. To begin, make sure that you've already installed PuTTY. You can see a video to downloading and installing PuTTY in the previous area of the playlist. Now, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and launch PuTTY by going down to our search bar and typing PuTTY, P-U-T-T-Y, pressing enter to launch the PuTTY window. Now, what we need to do here is we need to type out whatever our NCSA username is. This is what you obtained when you went and you created an account by following the form on the course webpage. Then what we want to do is we want to say the @ symbol, then we want to say HAL -login to.ncsa.illinois.edu. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and replace this NCSA-username with my NCSA username, which in this case is Bellemeade T2. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to create a saved session. So I'm going to say connect-to-HAL. And then I'm going to go ahead and in this window, press save. So what happens here is I have this information, my username and then the host name that I'm going to connect into, saved as a profile. So that means if I open up HAL, or if I open up PuTTY again, I can just go immediately to where I see connect to HAL and then press load. As an example, we'll load the default settings, which are blank. And then if I switch over to the connect to HAL profile, press load again, you can see my information is immediately put into play. From there, we're going to go down to where we see the open button and press open. And then this is going to launch a PuTTY window. Once the PuTTY window opens, we're going to be prompted to type in our NCSA password that goes with our NCSA username. In my case, my password is NCSA not telling 1, okay? Then what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do two-factor authentication, which means that you'll need to have Duo set up. And once that goes ahead, you're going to need to press 1 to receive a push code that gets sent to your phone. And then we're going to go ahead on our phone and press approve. And when we do that, PuTTY will be effectively authenticated into the HAL cluster. So we can see that we're now on HAL and we can start typing a few commands like what is our current working directory? And we could also sort of launch a job or do other components. This is important because you need to connect to HAL using this method only once. From there on out, you can go ahead and use down below the HAL OnDemand portal, and you can just immediately log in with your web browser. Hope this helped, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye now.